everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to write parenting blog articles using AI agent. So let's suppose I'm a parenting coach and I want to improve my online presence. For that, I regularly want to post on WordPress. Doing this manually is a very time-consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI and then WordPress. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to add a new title or a topic in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, a blog or article will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and it will be automatically created as a post on my WordPress. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of this workflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to write parenting blog articles using AI agent. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I will be adding a title in my Google Sheets, and if a content is automatically generated and created and posted on my WordPress, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So first I'm going to add the topic ID and then I'm going to add the title. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes, and if a post is automatically created in my WordPress, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here let's refresh this page once. Let's refresh this again. And here we can see the power of positive reinforcement in parenting. Here you can see that this is the same title which we added. Now let's go back and I'm going to click on this view. Let's check this post or the article or the blog. So here this is the post which has been generated. The power of positive reinforcement in parenting. We have received the introduction, the top 5 tips, and then we have received the real life example, and then we have received the conclusion. So this is a very perfect article which has been generated with the help of my AI agent OpenAI. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to write parenting blog articles using AI agent. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, you simply need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to write parenting blog articles using AI agent. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, 2 boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to write parenting blog articles using AI agent, which means whenever I am going to write a new title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the blog or the article will be automatically generated with the help of my AI agent. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and it will be automatically created as a post on my WordPress. So here trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new title in my Google Sheets and then action says do this, then create or generate a blog article on that title and post it to WordPress. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI and WordPress. So here in my trigger application, let's quickly take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help test, we are going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets spreadsheet by the name Parenting Blogs, and I have all these fields, topic ID and the title. I've created this content field if I wish to add the content generated by OpenAI. Now here I'm going to add a title in the spreadsheet like, first I'm going to add the topic ID, and then I'm going to add the title like Building Emotional Intelligence in Your Child, a Step-by-Step Approach. Now what I'm going to do, I need to send this title to my Pabbly Connect workflow so that it can be processed and the blog could be generated in the further steps. Now how we are going to do this? For that, I'm going to go towards my Google Sheets. I'm going to go towards this extensions, go to add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. So here Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of me, where I need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks in your Google Sheets. Now after that you install this, it will start appearing over here. From here you have to go towards this initial setup. So this box has appeared in front of me, where I need to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here it's written you can get the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect workflow. So this is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next I need to enter this trigger column. So it's written the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column is column B, because I'm going to add my final data in this particular column. I'm not going to add the content. I've just kept this if I want to add the content generated by OpenAI. Here I'm going to add my final data in this column only. So here the final data entry column or the last column is the trigger column, where we are going to enter the final data. So here I hope this is very clear to you what is trigger column. Now after entering this column B, I simply need to click on this send test so that this data can be sent to my workflow, and you will see the test data sent successfully. Here we have sent this data, and now to make this setup configuration, I'm going to click on this submit. So here setup configured successfully. Here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and now we have to follow one more important step. We have to go towards this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. If we do not click on send on event, whatever data we add in future, it won't be sent, and the article or the blog will not be generated on that title. So here this step is very important. Now over here, let's go back to my workflow, and here I can see that I have received the response. The trigger column was column B. Title which we added was Building Emotional Intelligence in Your Child, a Step-by-Step Approach. Spreadsheet name is Parenting Blogs. Here, as soon as I've added data in this particular spreadsheet, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to add a new title in this particular spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I'm going to add a new title in Google Sheets, I want to create a blog or the article on that title. So with the help of OpenAI, which is my AI agent in this workflow, I'm going to generate this blog. So then in my action application, I'm going to take OpenAI, And then in my action event, I'm going to select this as chat GPT and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So following the help desk given below, I'm going to click on this hyperlink and it will land me towards this API keys page. Now, if you want to learn how you can create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. Here you need to provide the name to the key. So let's say the name is testing, the project will be default project and the permissions will be all. After that, you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Here, as I have an existing connection, I'll go with this existing connection and then click on the save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I need to enter this AI model and the prompt. Now in this drop down, I have all my AI models. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. If you do not find your AI model, simply toggle this button on, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. As of now, I have my AI model and I have selected this from the drop down. Now I'm going to enter the prompt. I'm going to enter the prompt in a way that I'm going to provide the details from my Google Sheets and I'm going to tell this OpenAI that this is the title and I want to generate a blog or an article on this same title. And I'm going to write whatever are my requirements for that blog or the title. So here I'm going to write my prompt like. So here I've entered my prompt, write 1,000-word parenting blog article on the topic. And then I'm going to add my topic. We are not going to enter this manually. That's why I've left this. Include the following sections: introduction, top 5 tips, then the real life example, and then the conclusion. Please remove tags and extra signs and symbols. Now here we are going to add this topic. We are not going to enter this manually. Instead, we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from Google Sheets, and when I click on this Google Sheets, you can see all the response which I have received from there. So here the title which I have received is this one, Building Emotional Intelligence in Your Child, a Step-by-Step Process, and I have mapped that. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, the field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I have entered the prompt and I have entered the title or mapped this title, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. I'm going to open this. Building Emotional Intelligence in Your Child, a Step-by-Step Process. This is the introduction. And then we have received the point-by-point tips. Here are the tips. And then finally, we have received the real life example. And then we have received the conclusion. Now I'm going to post this content on my WordPress. For that, I'm going to click on this Add Action Step button. And then I'm going to search for my action application, which is WordPress. And then in my action event, as I want to create a post, I'm going to select this as that and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the email and the password, which means our login credentials of WordPress. And then we have to enter this base URL. So here to enter this base URL, I have logged into my WordPress. And on the top in this URL, I can see this p2world.com/wp3. So here I'm going to copy this till wp3. I have to copy this and I'm going to paste that over here. And then I have to enter my login credentials. After entering my credentials, I simply need to click on the save. And here WordPress is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter this post type. Post type remains post as I'm going to post this. The post title, the title we have received in the Google Sheets, I'm going to enter that title. And in the post content, I'm going to enter the content which we have received from OpenAI. The slug excerpt are not required fields, so we are going to skip this. The status remain publish. If you want to keep this as a draft, you can select, or if you want to private this or post this in the future, you can do or select that status. The category ID and tags are not required fields. I do not want to post any featured media, so I'm going to turn on this mapping button and remove this media ID. because if I select the media ID, it will become static and it will keep posting on all of my blogs. Now here the format is standard, ping status is open, comment status is open. Author ID, I have selected. The sticky password, date and date GMT are not required fields, so we are going to skip this. Over here, I have mapped this post content and I have mapped this post title. I have selected my post type. Now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. Now let's quickly open my WordPress and check whether a post has been created or not. So this is my WordPress. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this post and then click on this all post. So here this post has been created. We are going to click on this view. Let's open this post. So this post has been created and posted on my WordPress. So this is the same exact post which we have generated with the help of OpenAI. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We entered the title and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted OpenAI to generate parenting articles for us. So we entered the prompt and entered the title, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response. After that, we wanted to post this on my WordPress. So I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the post title, entered the post content, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this post been automatically and instantly created and posted on my WordPress. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.